Hello, voice reveal. Yes. Oh my. MM2 internet. I'm playing MM2 internet because I'm bad at MM2. Yeah. Yes, victory. Speed exploded. Bro, explosives are like that? Huh? Huh? Explosive like that? Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god, no, bro, I'm going to just speed this whole video, whole part. If you're watching this, please help me. I really don't know. I'm bored of it. I've uploaded in a while, so. Yes, yes, yes. I don't think like a trick shot. I mean, I know it's. It will be bad, so. Wait, if I shift lock. Yeah. Yep, that don't work. Spin, jump, no. Spin, jump, no. Spin, I want to say spin, jump, and shoot at the same time. Spin, jump, and shoot. I didn't even click. You scored blue for 10% off at MM2 cheap. MM2.cheap. Let's go to the pig. This one. And this one. This will be easy since it's chasing me. My thoughts. How did I miss the knife? And what am I missing? I didn't even click. Anyways, it's gonna be a short video, but bye. Have stuff to do, so bye.